show you the pool area. There's Marilyn Monroe. Who would know? Who would thunk it? The Italian restaurant. Another restaurant. They have any restaurants that they say they have? Three? A beautiful restaurant. The pool. And then you'll see the other restaurant, the other pool, the gym. And this is a Sheraton.
Marriott? This is Sheraton, but it's
Sheraton,
Marriott.
but it's a Marriott hotel, and it's a 5-star. There's going to be too many people in it. Yep, there's people in it, and there's a sauna. And they have a swim-up bar.
It has a swim-up bar.
Yep, it has a swim-up bar.
A jacuzzi.
A jacuzzi. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Beautiful pool. This is the first time Karen's seen the pool here. We swam in the other one today. I think we'll come here from now on because my golly, there's nothing better than swimming and having a scotch on the rocks. Probably gonna see Karen here in a minute. But when you come in the room, we've got ourselves a nice bathroom. They upgraded our room here in, what hotel is this, babe? Sheraton Royal Orchid by the river. There's the shower and the toilet with the dreaded bum gun. That's me. Nice sink. Come in the room. Another mirror. That's me again. And we come in the room and we've got a nice bed. We've got, I'm saving the best for last. I'm going to show the view outside in a minute.
We have robes and
Very good
slippers.
closet, very good sized closet with robes and slippers. Nice sized TV. A little desk area. And probably the best part of the room is Karen right there sitting at the window, of course. And here's the best part. It's Riverside. Got boats going up and down the river. I'm going to zoom in because I see a really neat looking boat over there. And the hotel itself gives us a
Free shuttle.
free shuttle to Icon Siam, which is one of the really major malls here, and we'll probably do a video later on. Say hi. You're in the frame.